it is strawberry season. Local growers have fabulous berries you can pick on your own or pick up at the store. Foodland Ontario home economist Teresa McKerowitz has a delicious way to use them. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Annette. I sure do have a delicious way, and they are in full swing right now. So I do urge you to get out and buy them or pick them. And nothing beats the flavor of locally grown Ontario strawberries. Now, I have a recipe that we're going to make, and it's to dress up grilled steaks. It's called peppered beef with balsamic strawberry salsa, packed with flavor, easy to prepare. And as I tell you, Annette, it's going to make you look like a pro in the kitchen. Now, you can find the recipe on our website, foodlandontario.ca. So let's get started. Now, for the steak, I'm using a grilling steak about 3/4 inches, and I'm preparing a rub. For the rub, I have Dijon mustard, I have cracked black peppercorns, which complement strawberries beautifully, salt and pepper. Rub it on the steak. Preheat your grill to medium high, and then grill 4 minutes per side. Now, for a juicy steak, make sure that you let it rest for about 5 minutes before you slice it. Now, for the salsa recipe, which complements the steak beautifully with the black peppercorns, because the peppercorns will bring out the sweetness of the strawberries, I have some chopped Ontario strawberries. I have yellow pepper that's going to add some crunch. We have some red onion, or you could use green onions if you like, and fresh herbs always add a punch of flavor. I'm using parsley, but you can use basil if you like, and cilantro would work too. What I've already added in is a little bit of balsamic vinegar and a pinch of salt and pepper. And we're going to sweeten it with a little bit of local honey. Now, I suggest make a double batch, and this is why, because not only is this salsa delicious on our steak, you can use it to make a really quick and tasty appetizer. So I have some crostini here that I've smeared a little bit of goat cheese, nice and creamy, and then spoon the salsa on top, and then garnish it maybe with a little bit of fresh basil leaves, or you can even use more parsley. Now, if you're at the store, make sure, or if you're picking your berries, pick berries that are bright red in color all the way through. That way you know you're picking a sweet berry. Bring them home and transfer them in a single layer. So what I do is I line a container with a paper towel and add my strawberries and refrigerate. You do not wash your strawberries until you're ready to use them. So I put them into a colander, run them under cold water, and then you can remove the cap. Now, if you have little helpers at home, a little scooper like this would work to remove the green caps. Now, after you've done that, and if you like, strawberries freeze beautifully, so you can use them in sauces, in put them into a smoothie. And all I do is put them on a cookie sheet. And then these would go into the freezer for about 30 minutes until they're completely frozen. And then you can put them into freezer bags, and they'll store for about a year in your freezer. And so you can just pop them out, in that dead of winter when you have pancakes and you want a delicious strawberry sauce. That's what you could use.
Right, because when you do it like that, then they're not soggy and all mushy at the end, right? When you thaw them out.
Exactly, and because they're frozen individually. So, and it's easier to take out just a little bit at a time as well. So I do urge you to go out, pick some berries, make sure that you do call the farm, or go on their social media page to check for any kinds of updates or any procedures that you might have to follow. And also visit our website, because we do have a host of recipes. We can tell you what's in season, and we share lots and lots and lots of tips, and that's Foodland Ontario.
Thank you very much, Teresa. And shout out to the people who pick our berries for us, because I did that as a kid. It is very hard work. So thanks very much. Great recipes. We'll get them up on our website, chch.com.
Thanks, Annette.